Find out which flat roofing system is the best system out there today. Coming up next. Built-up roofing, or BURR, is one of the oldest commercial roofing systems around. It's made up of multiple layers of asphalt and reinforcing fabrics. The pros of BURR roofing are that its multiple layers provide redundancy. It has excellent durability, good resistance to foot traffic, and a proven track record. BURR's cons are that it's a heavy roofing system, it's labor-intensive installation, and more expensive to repair. Modified bitumen is essentially an upgraded version of asphalt roofing. It combines asphalt with rubber or plastic modifiers to improve flexibility and performance. Its pros are: number one, it's thick and a durable membrane. It's excellent, puncture resistant, handles foot traffic well, easier repairs compared to BURR, and its proven long-term performance. Its cons are that it has more seams. Installation can be more labor-intensive, and it's not as reflective as white roofing systems unless it's coated. This is one of the reasons modified bitumen remains one of the most popular roofing systems for commercial buildings. Single-ply roofing systems use a single membrane layer that's mechanically attached or fully adhered to the roof. The pros of this system are: it's lightweight, its energy-efficient reflective surfaces, faster installation, and often lower initial cost. Its cons are: its thinner membrane compared to a modified bitumen, more susceptible to punctures. Quality can vary significantly by manufacturer. Welded seams require proper installation. Single-ply roofs can perform very well, but they're generally thinner than modified bitumen systems. Here lies the question: which roofing system is the best? If you ask 10 roofing contractors, you'll probably get 10 different answers. Our preference is modified bitumen. How did we come up with that conclusion? Well, let's start number one. It's thicker and more durable and more forgiving over the long term. Also, we found that it stands up exceptionally well to foot traffic, maintenance work, and the everyday abuse commercial roofs take. That doesn't mean single-ply or BURR are bad systems. They can be both excellent choices when designed and installed properly. If we are choosing a roof for our own building, we would go with modified bitumen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.